In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-send a welcome message to new Skool members. This is a really handy feature if you're running a community and you want every new person to feel acknowledged and guided from the moment they join without you having to manually message them each time. By the end of this video, you'll have an automated direct message set up that goes out to every new member as soon as they enter your Skool community. First, open your Skool dashboard and log into the community where you want this automation to run. Make sure you're on the correct community if you manage more than one, because the settings we're about to change only apply to the specific community you've selected. Once you're on that main dashboard, you'll see your usual overview, posts, members, and activity. Next, look for the settings option. This is usually found in the navigation menu for your community. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where all the key configuration happens for things like permissions, appearance, and in our case, plugins and automations. Take a moment to let the page load fully before moving on, so everything is visible. Inside the settings area, find and click on the section labeled plugins. Plugins are where Skool keeps extra functionality that goes beyond the basic community features. Think of this as an add-ons area where you can turn on specific tools that help automate tasks and improve the experience for your members. Within the plugins page, look for the option called Auto DM New Members. Click on that. This is the feature that allows Skool to automatically send a direct message to every person who joins your community. Once you're in, you'll typically be able to customize the message. This is where you can introduce yourself, set expectations, share important links, or point new members to a Start Here post or a welcome video. Keep the tone warm and clear, and let people know what to do first so they don't feel lost. Now, there's one important requirement. The Auto DM New Members feature is only available on Skool's Pro plan. If your account is not on the Pro tier, Skool will prompt you to upgrade before you can turn this on. Follow the on-screen instructions to upgrade if you need access to this automation. Once your plan is upgraded and your message is written, save your changes. From that point on, every new member who joins will automatically receive your welcome message, helping you create a consistent, friendly first experience without any extra work.